How's it going? In today's quick video, we're going to be pulling a water pump out of an LS1 V8 and putting in a new one. Power in question, we made Alex's LS1 from Rocky Nuts. It's quite a nice car. Hey buddy, yeah, you like it, don't you? Have a sniff. Alrighty, we've got the old water pump unbolted. Fan dangled out. So we got new and shiny, old and busted. New and shiny, old and busted parts, old and busted. Get a nice sharp razor blade. And just clean all the old crap off. Alright, attempt 1. I'm getting this. New water pump all in. Now it's just got to sit overnight so the gasket can dry. Alrighty, let's leave this sucker to dry. Water pump all back in, about to go for its first start. Belts on, let's see if I did a good job. I did good.